Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and support us. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new videos, it may automatically notify to you. And today we are here to do reaction on Break Bottom music video sung by Geetastree. So let us begin the video and see it how it is. So this is it guys, we have watched the video and it is really beautiful and song is melodious, so very nice. Did you enjoy the video?
Yeah, I've enjoyed it. It's nice.
Seriously, it is nice. So first of all, singer Geetastree Ramshiari is really, she sang well, her voice is melodious and beautiful. and all the girls are beautiful, and Masum Nazari, super dancer, makes the video in another level. okay, leads up to another level. And movement of cameraman makes the whole video beautiful, so they should be appreciated. Okay, it is because of the cameraman we are enjoying the video. So well done, cameraman, and all the people behind the scene. Guys, this is it. So if you like the video, please like it and share it, and continue to support us. Do subscribe our channel if you're new to this channel, and support us. Till then, meet you next time. See you. Bye bye, guys.